What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, we got this 2014 Chrysler 300, and as you guys can tell, it's got some hideous halogen bulbs that don't do well at night. You can't see, they're very dim. So we're going to be giving it a little bit of an upgrade with these AUXITO LED bulbs. Huge shout out to AUXITO for sending these out to us. Let's get these put on so that we can see better at night and it'll be a lot more visible. So here we go, let's hop right into it and show you guys the process. First off, the packaging, as you guys can tell, it's an LED light. These are an H11 bulb that also fits a H8 and H9. Comes in a nice little box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Hopefully that did that. There we go. Doing this one-handed is not ideal. Let's open that up. Ooh, look at this. You gotta use some gloves so that you don't touch the actual bulb, as that will ruin it. A couple zip ties and an Allen key, and then you get your manual over here. And then look at these bulbs. Obviously, like I said, you don't want to touch the physical bulb itself, as it may ruin it. This is what it looks like. It looks like a nice quality bulb. The LED, of course. You got built-in fans, and then forget what this is, but it controls the fan, and your plug for the H8, H9, and H11. Very well presented. I like it. Secure. It ain't going nowhere, and it is not going to damage the lights itself. So let's move on to the car. So the first step is you want to come back here to this little black cover, and you want to remove it, as that's where your low beam bulb is. So you got that one for the passenger side, and under our intake over here you can probably see it. It's that one right there for the driver's side. So it's as simple as coming in here. Again, it's not ideal for one-handed, but you just spin it counterclockwise, take the cover off, and then that's where your bulb is. If I can get the camera to focus, just like that, that's where your bulb is. So same thing with the bulb. You're going to spin it counterclockwise, you're going to pull it out, unclip that harness, and basically install a new one. So let's get that out really quick. Alright, and just like that, we got the bulbs removed. We got this side out, as you can see, unplugged and everything. And for this side, I ended up removing my filter to gain more access. If you have a similar setup or the same vehicle with the factory airbox, you might want to remove that for more clearance, obviously. But we also got this side unplugged. We got the new bulbs ready to go. Basically, all you got to do, put it in the socket, reverse and clockwise, and then plug it in, and you should be all good to go. Now when you plug it in and you turn them on, and if it doesn't work, these LEDs, they're a one-way plug it in basically. So if you plug it in, it doesn't work, just unplug it, flip the connector, plug it back in, and they should work. So let me go ahead, plug these in, connect the sockets for both, and see how they look. Here we go. Alright, so I have them plugged in. I haven't tucked anything away yet, just like that. We're going to go ahead, we're going to see if they work. So come in here, turn your lights on. Let's see if they're plugged in the right way. As you can tell, that one's on, and so is that one. Oh my god, just looking at it in the daylight, it looks so much better, so much more modern. This headlight has a little bit of haziness, but at least the bulb is nice and white. But look at that. That looks so much better just in the daylight. It looks more modern. It has a nice touch to it. And obviously it has the benefits of when it's dark, you can see a lot better. Like, look at that. You can see the reflection in the garage. So now all you got to do is, like you guys saw, they provided some zip ties. So you can zip tie these together. Just tuck it into your headlight. Put your socket back on, or your cap back on, clockwise to tighten it, And then if you took anything off like I did, put it all back together and you should be good to go. So let me go ahead and do that, and then thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.